Good morning, students. Today we will read a chapter, and it is one of the important chapters in your syllabus. This chapter is the thief story. The thief story. In this story focuses on the basic human values and relationships. This story focuses on the basic human values and relationship. It is easier for a thief to burgle a greedy man. It is easier for a thief to burgle a greedy man, but it is difficult to burgle a careless and honest person. Means here you will get to know that what the real values of a honest man. How honest man wins at the end. In this chapter, you will feel the real values of the relationship and the relationship between two friends means not just a friend. One is a servant and one is what? One is the owner. One is the man who is serving, who is giving payment for his duty. These two relationship you will study in this chapter. Here Anil. Anil is the main character of the chapter. Anil, and the second one is thief, Hari. Okay, Anil was 25 year old and Hari was only 15. Anil was a writer by profession. One day he was means he was earning his living by struggling to write for earning the money to run his life. He earned money from writing, and he also lend money to other and collect interest from them. Okay, this is the another business that Anil do. One day Anil was watching a wrestling match. Hari was also there. Hari saw Anil, and Hari at that time Hari thought that he is one of the person who can easily be fooled, and I can loot him. So Hari went to Anil. Here Hari used his old formula to flatter the person. Here Hari used that old formulas, just like you are looking very handsome, you are one of the person, and you also like playing. This game. I also like this game. This is the way to communicate between two. They started communicating with each other. He met Hari there. He met Hari, and Hari told his old formulas to flatter the person. He promised, means who is he here? Anil. Anil promised to teach him how to write and cook tasty food. Here, not just this happened. Hari told that he want a job. Anil was not agreed at that time because he did not want any servant. But on the sincere request, Anil thought that you can cook. Anil asked the person that you can cook. He said, I am a very good cook. So he employed him as a cook of his house. He took him to Jamina sweet shop. One day Hari saw that Anil had brought a bundle of notes. Means after that they started living very happily. Hari used to go to the market. Anil has given the key to Hari, and he can just go out. He had some money to shopping purpose to bring vegetables. Daily activities was done by Hari, and he was very happy there. Anil used to teach him also. He used to teach him the English language, in which he is very weak. And while he was getting the lessons, Hari thought that if he learns English, he can easily fool rich persons by talking in English. Because uh, while talking in English, he can easily make friends in a good and a rich class people, and he can easily make friends to them and fool them, loot them. These are the things that Hari used to think in his mind. One day Hari saw that Anil brought a bundle of notes. Okay, and he saw him. He kept him under the mattress, evil spirit arose in his mind. Means evil spirit came in his mind. Evil spirit was that he wants money. That it is big opportunity. I have to loot him and run away. This is so he decided to rob an inn at that night. He got the notes and ran away. At that night, when a perfect time came, he put his hands under the mattress, got the note, ran away there. He left for the railway station to board a train to Lucknow. Train comes at 10:30. But suddenly, when means he could easily catch up the train. But when he reached the station, some internal thinking stopped him, and he missed the train. He was he started thinking about what he started thinking how can he fool such a honest person who believes him a lot, who always help him, who knows that he did not know to cook, then also he did not remove him from the job, he kept him, he cooked for him, he taught him how to cook the food, these things he had done, and he is a very good person and I am robbing him. This guilty thought stopped him from going and from taking the train. Then what Hari had decided? After that Hari came out of the station. It was raining. Hari was completely wet. Means he became wet. He did not want to betray the faith of Anil. He again and again thinking he did not want to betray the faith of Anil. And moreover, he thought that he was helping me in teaching. He was helping him. He was providing him shelter. He was providing him food, and also he was providing him some money for saving. These things is very good, and nobody will provide him. Okay, Anil was teaching him how to write. So he left the station and came to the field, sat on the bench. A chill wind was blowing and he was wet due to the rain. Hari Singh had a change of heart. This incident changed his heart. He decided to return to Anil and keep the money under the pillow. This was the fact. He decided to keep the money under the pillow. He reached the room and placed the money back. Next morning, he woke up little late. He woke up and Anil had already made his tea. Means Anil has made the tea for Hari also. Okay. After that, what he had done, Hari means the thing that really shocked her is Anil offered him 50 rupees 50 to means Anil offered Hari rupees 50. He told him he would now be paid regularly. He told him that you will be paid regularly because I had some money. I got some money from lending business and you will be paid regularly from now. Hari kept the note in his hand and while he touched the note, he got to know that the note is still wet because yesterday night he took the money and it started raining. He became wet. Note also became wet. Okay, and now also the money is wet. Means this thought shook him that what has happened. Hari got to know that Anil had come to know about his misdeed. Means Anil got to know that he ran with the money and again he returned back and it was raining outside. So the note is wet. This is the thing that Anil already know. Then also he is offering rupees 50, offering him to stay here, offering him food, everything. Okay, but there was no sadness, no anger, no guilt in the mind of Anil. How innocent Anil is. Now also Anil want to help Hari because he knows that he is changing little and little and now he has turned into a good man. Okay, so at the end, the conclusion of this story is the human values and relationship are important in life. Means most important thing in human life is relationship and what the values we make of it. Such values can change a person too. Means if we value everything, we can change any type of person. We can make him a good person. No person is bad. Bad is the mentality. If we change the mentality, we can make a good person of it. Thank you.